I'm going to turn my buckle strap type compass into a bungee mounted system using 2 pieces of 1/8 inch bungee cord, sometimes known as shock cord. We'll start by removing the rubber strap from the compass. It's simply a matter of unscrewing the screws and pulling the post out. Now that we have the strap out of the way, we're going to thread the bungee from the outside edge into the hole so that it comes out between the 2 ears of the bracket. We're going to tie a simple overhand knot close to the end and then pull it tight. Now once you get a tight knot in bungee, it's very hard for it to come out. Now we're just going to pull it through until the knot ends up between the 2 ears of the bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. Sometimes you have to work the bungee through the hole. You could even, if you find something small enough, you could poke it through a little bit. Knot that in. Pull it between the 2 ears. Now we're going to thread it through on the other side. You'll have 2 separate pieces of bungee. It'll give you redundancy. In case one of them comes loose, you'll still have another piece of bungee holding your equipment on. We're going to tie a loose overhand knot in the other end and then see how it fits on our wrist. It's going to be a matter of just moving the position of the overhand knot until we get it so it fits comfortably. You want the right tension for your wet or dry suit, so you may want to put just the sleeve on of your suit and try it before you tighten the knot. If you use 2 different thicknesses of suits, just make it fit the thicker suit and then add knots as needed for the thinner suit. Just don't make them as tight so you can take them back out. Once I have the one side comfortable, I'm going to go ahead and pull that knot tight. Adjust the other side. Try it. It's a little bit tight. I need to loosen it some. Just by moving the position of the knot. I'm going to pull that tight. You can trim off the excess bungee if you would like. Apply a little heat to the frayed ends to melt them. Now the overhand knot will keep the bungee from fraying, so you really can leave out this step if you'd like. That's pretty much all there is to it. With the bungee mount, you'll be able to gear up and get into the water faster. It's self-compensating for depth, which means it will maintain its tension as you go deeper. And you won't end up with your gauge on the other side of your wrist when you get to the bottom. You can also use this same method to set up your bottom timer or dive computer.